North Macedonia, officially the Republic of North Macedonia, is a landlocked country in Southeast Europe. It shares land borders with Kosovo to the northwest, Serbia to the north, Bulgaria to the east, Greece to the south, and Albania to the west. North Macedonia's economy has experienced significant growth in recent years, with a GDP growth rate of 4% in 2021. The country is classified as an upper-middle-income country by the World Bank. North Macedonia's economy has undergone a major transformation since its independence from Yugoslavia in 1991. The country has transitioned from a centrally planned economy to a market-based economy, and has made significant progress in liberalizing its trade and investment regimes. The services sector is the largest employer in North Macedonia, about 65% of GDP, and includes industries such as retail, tourism, and transportation. The industrial sector is dominated by manufacturing, particularly of textiles, clothing, and food products, and contributes 25% of GDP. Agriculture remains an important sector, about 10% of GDP, but its share of GDP has been declining in recent years. North Macedonia's economy is primarily driven by exports of textiles and clothing, food products, metals and metal products, and machinery and equipment. Imports consist mainly of machinery and equipment, fuel and energy, food products, and chemicals. North Macedonia's economy faces a number of challenges, including high unemployment. The unemployment rate in North Macedonia is around 16.6%. High poverty. The poverty rate in North Macedonia is around 22%. Corruption is a problem in North Macedonia, and it can hinder economic growth. Reliance on foreign investment. North Macedonia is heavily reliant on foreign investment, which can make the economy vulnerable to external shocks. Despite the challenges it faces, North Macedonia has a number of factors that support its economic growth prospects, including a young and educated workforce, a strategic location in the Balkans, a growing tourism industry, a commitment to economic reform. In 2022, North Macedonia's GDP reached $37.2 billion, with a growth rate of 4% in 2021. The inflation rate for 2023 is 3.2%, while the unemployment rate stands at 16.6%. The poverty rate in 2020 was 22%, and the public debt as a percentage of GDP in 2023 is 53.2%.